Not sure if this showed the first time around, so I'll put it back on. Okay, doing box 3 out of the eBay case break. So I ripped open the case. Like I said before, that video is on the website, or will be on the website shortly. And I sorted the serial numbers out by lowest to highest, and this is box number 3, the third lowest one. Let's get going. As per the eBay listing. Sending in 947 there. 211415947. There you go. That's box 3. We're live on breakers.tv right now. As I said, I will be live at 8 p.m. It's 8:39 right now, so we got off to a little bit of a slow start, but we're going to start ripping because I've got cases and cases of stuff to do tonight. 5 packs and a decoy. Good luck, guys. On SP Game Used box number 3 for eBay. Base, Authentic Fabrics jersey, Michel Goulet, Chicago Blackhawks. And some more base. Well, this feels thick too. This feels like a good one. Maybe, possibly. Rookie Fabrics quad, very nice for the Montreal Canadiens. Got something else nice coming in after that. The Montreal Canadiens, Galchenyuk, Gallagher, Boileau, and Tenorti. Very nice card for a Montreal fan. And we have a base auto parallel of Bill Ranford for the Edmonton Oilers. If it'll come off there, okay, good. Base auto parallel of Bill Ranford. Nice pack. Decoy, and some base. Thought that pack felt suspiciously good. Huh, usually a hit right there. Maybe they smushed the 2 hits in one pack. That's probably what happened. Oh, thought we had something good going. Authentic Fabrics dual jersey for the San Jose Sharks, Marleau and Thornton. Marleau and Thornton, Authentic Fabrics dual jersey. Authentic Fabrics jersey for the Toronto Maple Leafs, that Matt Sundin. And that is it for box 3. So, might be the weakest one so far, but I don't know, decent hit with the Habs quad. Alright, let me end this one, and we will get going on box number 4.